This is the facade of a house nearby my neighborhood. As you can see, there's a bilateral symmetry between the 4 doors on the first floor and the 5 windows on the second floor. There are also 2 brown vertical bars standing on each side of the facade, which also helps with the bilateral symmetry. The window and the door in the middle rest upon the central axis of the facade. The windows and the doors are all indented except the windows have arch at the top, while the doors are rectangular. If we take a closer look, the chimney is a bit intruding from the roof to give us a sense of dimension. The door on the first floor is obviously taller than the window on the second floor. The whole facade has 3 components, and its height reduces from the bottom to the top.